Hello everybody. Today I am in my car without anyone, just myself. And I am here at Colonial car wash here on the west end of Albany. Right next door, like right next to a Monroe and the Westmere Fire Department. This is actually a little town called Westmere, but the mailing address is Albany. So yeah, we're gonna check out this car wash. See what they have in the automatic bay. I've been here, but I've actually never made a video on it before. Well, that's about to change. But all I know for a fact is that, I have been in here, I just don't remember what kind of system they use. Hope I can kind of see it through here. And I don't know if you can read it, but that says M5, so this must be a LaserWash M5.
Welcome to Colonial Car Wash. Insert credit card or cash and then make selection.
So, of course, you already know what we're going to go with. So,
you have selected the Rain-X Complete Car Wash. Please deposit $15.
jeez, New York State has way too many high taxes. That's too high of taxes, I think, anyway. Alright.
Thank you for your purchase. Please wait for green underlight before proceeding into wash bay.
Well, here goes. And right about now. So we will be starting out with our pre-soak. Generous double pass on the front. Tremendous, absolutely tremendous coating of presoak. Just wow. Now let's go ahead and see through the backup camera. The vehicle isn't running, but my God, sorry about that, guys. Something happened and the camera just cut out of nowhere. Ooh, the hell was that? Here comes the arm. And wow, this coating is so thick. It's starting to get kind of dark in here. Double pass on the back. Makes it even better, I think. And while this is soaking, it's probably about to start the high pressure either rinse or soap. We'll find out in a second. I have a feeling it's going to be rinse though. These automatic systems that I've seen most recently haven't been using high pressure soap. I've only seen those in the manual bays. Yep, that's rinse. Here comes our tri-foam. Pretty decent coverage. I think, anyway. But it's not the greatest on this side. But overall, in the middle, whew! Oh, here it comes with our high pressure rinse again. Now it's coming towards me on my side. This is actually doing surface protectant, so I can guarantee you this is Rain-X. Oh, yep. It was just on, but there's a Rain-X sign right there. It was just lit up. I must be doing rinse, the regular rinse now. It's possible, but I have no clue. Oh, doing double pass on the back. Double pass on the front. And next but not least, I believe, yerp, spot-free rinse. Damn. Come on, focus, focus. There we go. Dryers aren't exactly doing the best job, but at least they're drying the car, just like they should be. And since the dryers are going to be ending soon, I might as well fire up the car. Well, I would say the system actually did a pretty good job, but in all seriousness, the dryers could be a bit better. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys, and be sure to comment and subscribe below. And as always, peace.